There are many Tracksaw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best track saws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. WEN Cordless Track Saw. Rating 4.4. Rip boards up to 2.25 inches thick or create 45-degree bevel cuts in boards up to 1.65 inches thick. Compatible with the WEN CT9502 and CT9110 track and the WEN CT992F track saw clamps. Dual 20V max battery ports provide cordless and reliable power to the brushless motor with variable speed operation from 2000 to 5500 RPM. Two 4.0 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries with onboard LED charge gauges deliver consistent power at any charge level and are compatible with the entire WEN 20V Max cordless power tool series. Includes a 6.5-inch 48-tooth carbide-tipped blade, 165mm, with a 20mm arbor, track alignment cam, a dust port adapter, two 4.0 Ah batteries, a charger, and a 2-year warranty. Number 4. DeWalt Track Saw. Rating 4.6. Zero clearance track saw cutting system delivers precise, straight, splinter-free cuts. Power tool type corded. For use with track saw dual-edge tracks for perfectly straight cuts in both directions. On-track cut depth, 2 1/8, 54mm at 90 degrees, 1 5/8 inch, 41mm at 45 degrees. Depth scale accurately indicates exact depth of cut, accounting for track thickness. 12A 1300W motor effortlessly powers through hardwoods up to 2 1/8 inch thick. Continuous anti-kickback mechanism and riving knife prevent kickback when engaged. Low-profile blade guard allows saw to be used in confined spaces. Number 3. Metabo Track Saw. Rating 4.6. This 36V cordless track saw offers best-in-class cutting per amp-hour. The brushless motor and 4.0 Ah multi-volt Metabo HPT battery ensure consistent power for the toughest cuts, making it a woodworking dream tool. The power saw features an adjustable bevel from -1 to 46 degrees, offering flexibility for a variety of cuts. The easy-to-read depth controls, including a micro-adjustment dial, ensure precision and accuracy in every project. Weighing only 9.7 pounds, this lightweight tool is easy to maneuver and transport. The compact design allows for easy storage and increased portability without sacrificing power or performance. A stackable case is included. This track saw can handle even the most demanding tasks. The 360 degrees swiveling dust port ensures a clean and safe workspace, while the blade window provides perfect sight lines. Number 2. Makita Track Saw. Rating 4.6. Powered by 2 LXT batteries, X2 LXT technology delivers more power, speed, and runtime without the hassles of a cord, batteries not included. Makita-built electronically controlled BL brushless motor delivers 300 revolutions per minute for maximum performance and 50% longer runtime per charge. Automatic speed change technology adjusts cutting speed and torque during the cut for optimum performance. Variable speed control dial, 500 to 300 revolutions per minute for optimum performance in a variety of materials. Ideal for cutting large wood panels and other wood materials in confined areas. Included components: 1/2 55 TCD cordless plunge saw blade, wood, MDF, lamb. Number 1. Bosch Track Saw. Rating 4.6. Provide job site mobility and corded-like performance in wood and wood-based sheet goods. Plunge mechanism. Allows for precise plunge cuts with accurate depth of cut. Single bevel pivot point. When using the track, it can be positioned in the same way for bevel cuts or non-bevel cuts. Bi-turbo brushless technology, featuring a brushless high-performance motor and drivetrain system engineered to take full advantage of the additional power generated by Core 18V high-power batteries. Core 18V high-power 8Ah battery, compatible with Bosch 18V tools and delivers 2x more runtime than GBA 18V40. Eco mode. extends the battery runtime by up to 30% for getting work done. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.